Strong plants in strong winds. There are two modes of raising children. In the free-range style, parents let kids be just kids. Children follow the natural progression of growing up with a little nagging from their parents. Kids enjoy independence and freedom, but often learn responsibility in other ways. Here, children are wild plants. In helicopter parenting, parents, especially mothers, closely monitor their kids' whereabouts every minute, hovering over them like a helicopter. Here, children are perfect flowers in a greenhouse. I was raised by free-range parents, not that they had any other choices. Remember that they raised 8 children with limited resources during and just after the Korean War. As I look back now, though, my parents did more than all right on their parts. Whenever someone pointed out our misbehaviors, my mother never defended any of us. Instead, she would gang up on me with the accuser, to whom she would profusely apologize with a bowed head. This did not sit very well with my own pride, which might have been the real reason why I did not repeat similar offensive acts later in my life. Nowadays, if you scold a naughty child, say in a restaurant, you get an earful from his or her parents. They get mad at you because they believe that your lecture would kill their free spirit, which can somehow ruin their child's self-esteem and assertiveness later. This is most observed, but what can I say? All said and done, my parents let others educate us free of charge, that is. Sermons from strangers were like a strong wind from all different directions, and we all grew up straight and strong like wild plants. This is an excerpt from essay number 25 in my first book, The Tongue Can Break Bones, published in 2018.